Today we're talking about cigarette odor removal. My name is Josh with Soil Away Cleaning and Restoration, and we deal with this a lot. Every so often people call us, they've bought in a house and the previous owners have smoked for years and they don't know what to do. So we're going to tackle that problem here quickly today. The number one thing before we get started is I just want to say, please don't paint first. That's the number one mistake that we see people make. It just makes the problem 10 times worse. So hopefully you haven't done that and you're catching this video before you're trying to solve the problem. But the very first thing that we like to deal with is just cleaning. There's no way around it. You have to do a thorough cleaning of all the surfaces, the ceilings, the walls, the floors, the appliances, fixtures, windows. Everything has to be touched and cleaned to get that odor off the walls and the residue from the nicotine. The next thing after the cleaning is done and satisfactory is we'll set up an ozone machine, typically for 48 hours. We'll run that in the building with no one there. And when that's done, that kills off the excess odor and the different pores in the building. The final step really is just to do a sealing or a painting of the walls or trim. We like to use an odor and stain blocking paint, and then you could do your finish coat and the place looks great, smells great, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.